Hey guys, it's Normal here, and I'm back with another money making app. Earlier today, I released a video of an app of a money making app called Cash Karma. Well, today I will be reviewing its counterpart and a similar app to it called App Karma. In many ways, these apps are very similar, so I will be showing you where to download the app. First, you go into the Google Play Store and type in App Karma. So as you can see, this app has a 4.7 star review, 371,000 review, so it's a very good app and even better than the one earlier today. So without further ado, let's get into the app. So yes guys, as you can see, we're into the app. These apps are very similar in many ways, as I said before. As you can see, the daily check-in bonus and the video rewards. But the main difference between these two apps are the type of tasks that you complete to earn the points. On Cash Karma, you complete surveys, but with this app, you would complete games and test games, and then by testing these games, you would then receive points. And another way to earn points are by entering a promo code. So you would need to follow on Facebook and other different social media sites to receive this promo code to enter and receive the karma points. So yes guys, very similar. At the top you see badges, karma points, and the reward level. So yes guys, let's show you the reward section again. Did you know you will also receive a redeem bonus after you redeem your points? Yes. And as I showed you in the last video, your gift cards will be stored here after you redeem your points. So yes, your gift cards will be in the My Reward section after you redeem your points. So yes guys, and another difference with this app Karma from Cash Karma is that in some of the gift cards, the points that you need to redeem a gift cards are lower. So like in the Amazon section, in this section you can see that the lowest redeemable gift card price is for only 6,000 karma points, which is a $5 Amazon gift card. So yes guys, this is another difference between them, and it also gives you a redeem bonus of 300 points as well. And yes guys, it also have a PayPal redemption mode in which the same amount, 13,500 karma points for 675 points. So yes guys, and this moment I'll be now showing you the badges section, and I also showed you this section in the earlier video today. So yes guys, you can earn by earning badges that have different amount of karma points allotted to them when you complete them. So yes guys, again, I will leave in my invite code in the description below, and you can use it to earn an easy 300 karma point. So by just inputting my invitation code, by clicking this link, my referral code, which is SIMIT, just enter that by clicking the link and downloading the app. After you enter my code, you will receive 300 karma points instantly. So yes guys, and another difference between these apps, this app also has a activities panel, but it also has a notification panel. So yes guys, this panel is to tell you when the different apps are ready, different apps are available for you to download and complete the task for them and earn. So as you can see, Guns of Glory quiz just came out for 650 points, which you can then complete and earn those allotted amount of points. So yes guys, we have come to the end of the video. Like, leave a comment down below and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.